Imprint X started as something for me to tinker with, and I had developed in 2019. I was wondering why very little people used a single nozzle to produce colorful 3D printed parts. What started as a hobby over the years, I had logged hours of print time on this machine, and I had considered this to be my favorite printer. So when signs of fatigue and failure slowly began to haunt Imprint X, from the PLA mounts breaking from the loads, the poor print quality, a result from the Z-axis literally being held together with electrical tape, the cheap mechanical instops breaking in the middle of a homing action. It looked as if it was time to shut down Imprint X forever. Had I gotten anything right on this printer?
What went wrong? What went wrong? What went right?
I started documenting the redesign of Imprint X with the idea of completing this printer in 3 videos. But some secondary unsuccessful videos spawned out of it, and now the drifting of the redesign is over. It was time to bring Imprint X back online. The remaining item to complete was to install the bed using 4 ASA printed mounts that would connect to the existing brackets we had printed earlier. The bed would sit atop a wood mount that was laser cutted. And I have some cool footage that I filmed for this bed, but I didn't focus my lens, so you can blame the producer and not me on that one. I'm just working with a bunch of amateurs.
I'm surrounded by idiots! Idiots!
With the bed installed, it was time to run our first test print, and I think you might have an idea what that part's going to be. Wait a second, did this guy really just spend 6 months making a video about redesigning a 3D printer just so that the first print he printed could be a container to hold printing tools? Yes. Yes, I did.
Mustn't be afraid to dream a little bigger, darling.
Thank you all for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss a video. I hope you had a laugh and enjoyed the video. Leave a like and a comment below. Check out my links that are listed in the description. I hope your 3D printing turns out awesome, and I'll see you all in the next video.